You know, you really didn't have to take me to the airport.
Oh, please. Every moment is precious. You know, besides, somebody had to ride in that other taxi with the rest of your luggage, and your friends don't seem to care very much that you're leaving.
Well, we're not really that close. Okay, so I guess this is, goodbye then.
Oh, no, it's not goodbye. I'm not leaving until you get on that plane.
Okay, well, I guess just wait here then. Hi, I need a fake ticket to Yemen.
One ticket to Yemen?
Oh, no. I just need a pretend ticket.
I'm sorry, sir, I don't understand.
Look, what would you give to a kid if you wanted a ticket to play with?
Are you traveling with a child?
No. All right, look, you know what? She's gonna think that I'm handing you a credit card. But what I'm really gonna do is hand you a library card.
Sir, a ticket to Yemen is $2,100, and we don't take library cards.
What's the matter? Is something wrong? Do you have to stay?
American Express?
Hi.
Hi.
What are these?
Oh, just some pictures I made and hung up. Thought they'd brighten up the place. They do, don't you think? Ow! No! I know there's no hole there. I just really like that picture.
Oh, my God, look at this!
Okay, but there is a wire back there. I mean, that switch is connected to something.
I don't care. The wires have come loose in your head.
I just thought if I could follow the wire, I could find out what it did. And did you? No. It disappears back there behind that baseboard. For a minute there, I thought it went downstairs. But it didn't. Say hello to Mrs. Katrakis.
Oh, my God.
Hello, darling.
Hello, Mrs. Katrakis.
This is the final boarding call for Flight 664 to Yemen.
Well, I guess I gotta go.
Oh, my bingling. I'll wait for you. Do you even know how long you're going to be gone?
Well, just until we find an energy source to replace fuel.
Oh. Well, I'll write you every day. 15 Yemen Road, Yemen.
Okay. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Chandler?
Nope.
Chandler!
Janice, there you are. There you are. I had to have one last kiss, and also, you said you were gonna leave right after I got on the plane.
No, I want to see you take off.
Well, then I guess I'm going to Yemen. I'm going to Yemen. When we get to Yemen, can I stay with you?
All right. The super couldn't figure out what it did. The $200 an hour electrician couldn't figure out what it did. I've had 7 pretty serious shocks. I officially give up.
Thank God.
Guess Joey was right. It does nothing.
I'm doing it. I am totally doing it.
I lost it.